Hey, what's going on, guys? Dropship Tyler here, and today I'm going to be showing you how some people price their items really low on eBay to the point where you're probably thinking, how does this person make a profit from this item? And I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you on a spreadsheet the exact breakdown and methods that these people are probably using. The reason I wanted to do this video is because I received an email from my buddy Don. I met Don at the poker tables in Vegas. He was already into e-commerce, more so like private label dropshipping, Shopify type stuff. And he wanted to get into Amazon and eBay dropshipping, so I've been helping him do that. He sent me an email showing me a listing on eBay that somebody had listed, and then the item on Walmart. And he also stated that he couldn't find the item for anywhere cheaper than Walmart. He did a Google search. He went to upcitemdb.com, searched the UPC code, and there were no results cheaper than Walmart. So we're assuming this person is getting the product from Walmart, because if you look at their other items, they're definitely a dropshipper from Walmart. So what we can do is we can actually go in now and I'll show you guys the breakdown of the eBay fees, the PayPal fees, and some of the back-end profits or some of the front-end savings that they might be getting. So here is the item on eBay that you can see. Obviously this person hasn't sold it yet, but I'm guessing that Don was just looking at this person's listings and maybe they look like somebody who's doing things manually, so he was interested in checking it out. But the fact is they listed the item at $54.97, and obviously they're not going to list at a negative profit once they calculate in all the back end stuff and everything like that. So yeah, we're assuming this person's going to make a profit, so let's figure out how they're doing it. All right, so here is the item on walmart.com. As you can see, it's $49.97. And the person on eBay is actually selling it for $54.97. So they're marking it up exactly $5, which is about a 1.1 markup. You can actually, or it is a 1.1 markup. So that's actually going to be a negative profit markup, even if you are tax exempt. If you're tax exempt, a 1.13-ish is going to be around break even. So let's go in and we'll actually look at the eBay fee and the PayPal fees, and then break down exactly how much he's losing on the front end and then how he's actually going to be making money at the end of the day with all the different things you can do to reduce the price at Walmart, get cashback, things like that. So here we have this spreadsheet up, and we're going to calculate the eBay fee, which is 9.15%, assuming he has a store. And then we're going to calculate the PayPal fee, which is this, and then plus 30 cents. So we have $6.92 in fees, and then we have the Walmart price at $49.97. So what we're actually going to do now is we're going to take the eBay price and we are going to subtract the fees and the cost of goods sold. So as you can see, he's actually losing $1.92 on the transaction every single time he sells it. Keep in mind also that this is assuming the guy is tax exempt, which obviously he is if he's pricing this way. So now we're going to go on this site called Card Bazaar, which is the site that I actually use to buy my discounted gift cards. So you can actually see from this Card Bazaar website that they have a 6% discount if the person is using a check. And if they're using Bitcoin, they've got a 10% discount. So let's just put these numbers in here. We'll put the 6% in there because right now I just use a bank draft and only get the 6%. I don't mess with Bitcoin, but I was talking to the owner of Card Bazaar and he was saying that 95% of users use Bitcoin. So you can assume that most of the people on eBay are getting the 10%, but the 6% is still fine for this. And we'll do both for this example. So I'm going to go back into my spreadsheet. So here, 10%, like we showed, 6% with the bank draft. So now let's make a formula and show you guys exactly how much of a discount you're getting when you use Card Bazaar. So you're getting a $3 discount there, and you are getting a $5 discount with the 10%. So from there, what you're going to do is you're just going to take this net profit and you're going to add in your discount. And let's lock that in by going F4 and just drag it down. And you can see that now your new net profit is $1.07 if you use the 6% and $3.07 if you use the 10%. Now, if you look at a site called Mr. Rebates, they're currently giving 2% cash back on Walmart, which they always do. And let's add that in there to see exactly how much it is. Obviously, you know, it's going to be a third of the $3, so it's going to be $1, but let's just put it in here for the purpose of the spreadsheet. So we got 2% here, and now this times this, and we can add that into that and do the same here. So depending on if they use a bank draft or Bitcoin, they're either making $2.07 or $4.07. A lot of you guys are going to be like, oh, that's not worth it. That's not good money. But the truth of the matter is dropshipping is a very low margin game. And when you have virtual assistants running your business, you know, you're only paying them a few dollars an hour, like say 3 to 5, depending on their skill level. So it doesn't matter really too much that, you know, every time you sell this, you're only making $4.07. It's only going to take the virtual assistant maybe 10 minutes to list it, and then 5 minutes every time an order comes in, and then just a couple minutes to upload tracking. So it makes sense to actually, you know, do the low margin game like this and just do it in high volume. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions about those 2 websites I showed you or anything that I talked about in this video, leave them in the comments below. There are 2 links in the description. One is for the Card Bazaar and one is for Mr. Rebates. Those are my affiliate links. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and use those. If not, no worries. I hope everyone has a great Friday and a great weekend. Thanks for watching, guys.